In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a split screen to your Filmora project. Basically, you can display 2, 3, 5, or maybe even 10 videos at the same time in just one scene. So here's how you can do it. First, you have to navigate to the menu called templates right here. And here you have to visit split screen. And you will see that in the subcategory, there are many other styles that you can look at, and then you can explore which setting or which style that you want to apply to your video. But for this tutorial, I want to try something simple. So I'm going to try split screen with 3 different scenes. And what you need to do is you have to click and then drag the split screen into the timeline. And then you can also adjust the duration. And here, if you look at the preview, you will see that there is 1, 2, 3 different sections that we can customize. You can basically put some videos to split screen. Now click media, because I have some videos that I have prepared for this tutorial. Let's try adding one video. The way you add a video is actually pretty simple. You just need to click and then drag the video like that, and now the video is there. And you can also just specify which area of the video that it should be visible. I could, for example, make sure that this section is visible, and there is also an option to change the volume. You can also make it mute. You can also make it zoom in or maybe zoom out. It's really up to you. And of course, there are many other settings that you can customize, but that's, I think, out of scope of this video. So let's move on by adding 2 more videos. I will try adding, let's try this video. Okay, I'm going to move it right here so her face is visible. And lastly, I'm going to add this video. Oh, sorry about that. This video. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And there you go. So if you play the whole thing, this is the result. Oops, I forgot to mention that I probably should have been muting everything. Just mute everything. Okay, let's play it again. And that's basically it. Now you can see that there are 3 videos running at the same time, and they look wonderful. Of course, you can always go back to templates and see which profile or which split screen that you might want to implement to your video project. But that's basically it. So if you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.